Nightmare, or Nightmare if you're pronouncing the exclamation point, was the toughest difficulty setting in the original Doom. A difficulty setting that last year's Doom reboot took one look at, laughed, and then stubbed a cigar out on. That's because this Doom has a difficulty level called Ultra Nightmare, which is so difficult that no one who actually worked on the game could complete it. The premise of Ultra Nightmare is simple. You take regular Nightmare mode, which is, as the name implies, an absolute nightmare, then apply permadeath to it, so the second you die, you're booted back to the start of the game and your save is erased. No saving means you've got to do it all in one sitting too, or at least hope you can leave your console paused and not have someone switch over to Netflix while you're in the bathroom. Still, people are up for the challenge, despite the game specifically asking you if you're willing to put yourself through this punishing ordeal the first time you select it. Ha! You're the boss of me, game. Okay, maybe you know best, game.
Super Hexagon is a simple game. You control a little triangle that moves around a hexagon, fitting between the gaps in waves of lines that endlessly approach you. What Super Hexagon isn't is an easy game, as even on the earlier difficulties, the game throws lines at you faster than an actor with places to be. Hyper-Hexagonist mode, though, described by the game as its hardest mode, is so fast, so confusing, and so mind-meltingly difficult that you'd be forgiven for thinking you're not looking at a game anymore, and in fact have found some kind of CIA brainwashing technique from the 1960s. Does anyone else have a sudden urge to overthrow communism? Get even further in Hyper-Hexagonist mode and it will switch into a black and white mode. The music will slow down and start playing backwards, and you'll start hearing the voices of your long-dead ancestors telling you that the secret to the universe can be unlocked if you can draw a perfect hexagon freehand. Is that just me? I think I may have been playing too much Super Hexagon. Getting there, though.
Wow, all of that looked really, really hard. But you know what's easy is pressing either of these two videos to watch something else from us or from our sister channel, Outside Extra. And the easiest thing of all is clicking on the subscribe orb here, because then you don't even have to go looking for videos. They come straight to your subscription box. Easiest thing in the world. So do it now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ah, sequels. You know where you are with a sequel. It's like the first game, only there are new weapons, baddies, and there's a number at the end of it. Except sometimes the sequel isn't like that at all. Sometimes the next game takes a